Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, gather the necessary tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. Make sure to power down your ASUS K513E and unplug it from any power source before starting. First, flip the laptop over and locate the battery release latch. You will need to remove the screws securing the back panel. Use your Phillips screwdriver for this. Take care to keep the screws organized so you can easily replace them later. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Work your way around the edges carefully to avoid damaging the plastic clips. If you encounter resistance, double-check for any missed screws. With the back panel removed, locate the battery. It is typically secured with a few screws. Remove these screws with your Phillips screwdriver. After that, gently disconnect the battery connector from the motherboard. A spudger can help with this if it's tightly secured. Now, take your new compatible battery and connect it to the motherboard. Ensure the connection is secure before moving on. Replace the screws that hold the battery in place to secure it. If you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable doing this yourself, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making repairs easy and convenient. Next, before reassembling, it's a good idea to clean the internal components. Use compressed air to blow out any dust or debris that may have accumulated inside. This helps improve airflow and overall performance. Now, it's time to replace the back panel. Align it carefully and press down until you hear the clips snap into place. Replace all screws to ensure the back panel is securely fastened. After everything is reassembled, power on your ASUS K513E. If the laptop powers up and recognizes the new battery, you've successfully completed the replacement. If you encounter any issues, we provide a quote before repair to keep you informed about any necessary work. Finally, if you prefer a hassle-free process, remember, no calls, no travel, just a simple professional diagnosis without obligation. This makes maintaining your device as straightforward as possible. Enjoy your rejuvenated ASUS K513E. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.